It's bedtime here for the orphans at the David Sheldrick Wildlife Trust, Nairobi nursery. Here are the first little babies coming in for their milk bottles. This is Amoli. And his friend Satao, going to bed over there. A little disorientated there. Here's Amoli having his milk. I'm joined here with Julius, a keeper who's been with us for 12 years now, and he's going to go around all the babies with us. So Amoli is fairly new to the nursery. He was a drought victim. His best friend is Maisha, and they were rescued around the same time. He's being fed a special milk formula here by one of our keepers, who stay with the orphans 24 hours. They sleep with them. That's where the keeper sleeps. And give them all the care and love that they need. Sana. We go to little Satao. Satao's only a year old. His friend is Mosiara, isn't it, Julia?
Yes, yeah.
Satao feeding on his greens. What branches are these, Julius? What's the name of these?
This is a common bush from Nairobi National Park.
Okay, and this is what they have every night when they go to bed, isn't it, after their milk?
Yes.
Let's go and see what other babies, who else is coming in for their milk. We have little Ambo here, who used to be matriarch Mbegu's favourite boy,
Yes.
but he's being slowly usurped by Satao.
Yes, Sata is taking over.
Hi Ambo.
Arms. Arms.
He's also enjoying his greens.
Yeah.
Let's see the elephants coming in now. Yes, you can tell us who's coming in.
That is the naughty girl.
This is naughty girl Isampu. Let's go and see her. Sweet little new Kiasa, who everyone will be very delighted to hear, should be joining the foster program today.
Yes.
This is little Kiasa. She's only about 8 months old. Another drought victim from Savo. And Mapia, little boy, who's very eager for his milk. Mapia is about 2 years, isn't he,
Yeah,
Julius? Almost 2 years.
Yeah.
Gulping down his milk there. Mapia has only been with us a short time as well, so he's not
For about a month now.
only a month, so he's not on the foster program yet. I can see your questions coming in. We're filming live from the Nairobi David Sheldrick Wildlife Trust Nairobi Nursery. Hi Gideon. Another one of our dedicated keepers. boy. Keepers look after the babies 24 hours a day, provide them all the love and care they need. For the about 3 years they're here with us in the Nairobi nursery before we relocate them back to Tsavo National Park, where they rejoin the wild. This is Giotto. Funny little boy. Hey Giotto. This little Giotto here. We've successfully raised over 200 elephants who've been rehabilitated back into the wild. And we're very, very happy to say we've now had 28 wild-born babies. So babies born to our ex-orphans now living in the wild. 3 of them being born in October, which was a great month. So Sana still yet to come in. We're going up to naughty girl Isampu, trying to steal Sana's milk. Naughty girl. And almost succeeding. Sana, Isampu. Definitely one of the naughtiest orphans in the nursery at the moment. Another attempt. They're in individual stables, as you can see here, stockades, so they can get the individual attention they need during the night, as they are fed throughout the night as well. Our orphans are fed milk formula every 3 hours, including throughout the night. As they get older and as they go to the Tsavo rehabilitation units, they stay the night in larger stockades during the night, as they need less of that individual care. There's naughty girl Isampu. Milk and greens. Here are all our keepers. So remember everyone, you can foster an orphan for just $50 a year. It's a wonderful little gift to someone this holiday season, and all this money raised helps support and care for these orphans for the several years that they're in our care. Once we move them to Tsavo, they're with us for another few years. Some more coming in now. Malima. Marit. And Sana. I'm in for her milk here now. Sampu hasn't got it, don't worry. Oops. Bit of confusion. Bit of eagerness for milk, I think. Hi Chaplain.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine, and you?
Good. Sana being a little show off and even managing to hold her own bottle. Something which only some of our orphans manage to master. Little Sana. How old is Sana now, Junior?
Slightly about 2 years.
Just about 2 years old. So Chaplain will want to come out when she's finished. Thank you. Well done, Sana. Thank you. Sana there. Girly Sampu. And Diwa yet to come in for her milk.
Yeah.
And Malkia. Here's Malima, sweet girl Malima. He's very loving and caring of the foster babies, the orphan babies we have here. Little Malima. Enjoying her greens. Let's go and see Julia, some of the other babies to come in. You can hear a pitter-patter. That's Malkia. Another loving baby, isn't she, Julia? Some
Yeah,
of the
she
little
is.
ones we have in the nursery.
She's so fond of the little ones.
We have 30 babies currently in the nursery.
Yeah. Musiera.
Little Musiara. He's also a year old, little Sitao's friend. Quite a fat little tummy. Here's little Lugard, who suffered a broken leg. He was shot in human-wildlife conflict. He's doing very well. He's been here with us over a year.
Yeah, over here.
And he's doing very well. We hope that the knee will mend. It's already knitted together very well. And we've successfully raised 2 other orphans with broken legs, Morera and Sanjay. So we think Lugard will be fine. He's got a very lively spirit. See more orphans coming in. You can see the foster parents up there. This is a special foster parent visit. Anyone who fosters an orphan has the privilege to book a 5 o'clock visit, this evening visit for the orphans. Here's Tagwa. Little Quishi, a little girl Quishi. Shukuru, our big girl back from Ithumba. She's not faring so well. Lasayan, Ndiwa, and Matito. So Shukuru's come back from Ithumba. She's actually 8 years old now. She's down there. You can see she's a bit bigger than the other orphans here. We've brought her back so she can receive the best treatment possible. If there's anywhere that she'll recover well, it's here with the equipment and the attention we can pay all the babies here at the nursery. Diwa, enjoying her milk. Rumbling in delight for her next bottle. All the orphans are coming in for the day. They've spent the day out in the forest with their keepers. They only come back in for visiting time, which is at 11 o'clock for 1 hour only, and at this time for the foster parent visit. We want them to live in as much a wild environment as possible, as we are raising them all to go back into the wild. So we restrict visiting times to just a few a day and for a short time. Bye, Indiwa. Sleep well. We'll just quickly walk around to see Godoma and some of the others around here. This is little Tamioi. Let me show you Tamioi, little caring, a little greedy sometimes. Chatting to her neighbour. Tamioi. Good girl, Shukuru. Signal. I think it's time we leave all these babies in peace. We hope you've enjoyed joining us at the Orphans Bedtime. Remember, you can keep in touch with our work on our social channels and by fostering an orphan baby of your own. Receive monthly updates on your own orphan baby. We're going to leave the orphan babies in. Say goodnight. Thank you so much for joining us. Thanks, Julius.
You're welcome.
Bye.